Hi, my name is Patrick Reagan. Welcome to Security, where we discuss security with a focus on how it affects the computer and the services and resources that the computer connects to. In Part 16, Introduction to Windows Security and Defender, where we continue the discussion on malware with a focus on the Windows Security and Defender, which can be used to prevent and remove malware. For those who are going to take the A+ exam, there are practice questions at the end of the video. If you have not already, subscribe to the Pat Has Your Back channel. Windows 10 and 11 include Windows Security, which provides the latest antivirus protection. Your device will be actively protected from the moment you start Windows. Windows Security continually scans for malware or malicious software, viruses, and security threats. Windows Security is built into Windows and includes an antivirus program called Microsoft Defender Antivirus. If you have another antivirus app installed and turned on, Microsoft Defender Antivirus will turn off automatically. If you uninstall the other app, Microsoft Defender Antivirus will turn back on automatically. In addition to these real-time protection, updates are downloaded automatically to help keep the device safe and protected from threats. Windows Security is your home to manage the tools that protect your device and your data. It includes virus and threat protection, account protection, firewall and network protection, app and browser control, device security, device performance and health, and family options. Virus and threat protection monitors threats to your device, runs scans, and get updates to help detect the latest threats. Under current threats, you can see any threats currently found on your device, see the last time a scan was run on your device, how long it took, and how many files were scanned. Start a new quick scan or go into the scan options to run a more extensive or custom scan. You can also see threats that have been quarantined before they can affect you, and anything identified as a threat that you have allowed to run on your device. Even though Windows Security is turned on and scans your device automatically, you can perform additional scan whenever you want. Select Quick Scan, called Scan Now in previous versions of Windows 10, to immediately check on your device for any recent threats. This option is useful when you don't want to spend the time running a full scan on all your files and folders. If Windows Security recommends that you run one of the other types of scans, you'll be notified when the quick scan is done. Full Scan scans every file and programs on your device. Custom Scan scans only files and folders that you select. If the virus is difficult to remove, you can use the offline scan to restart Windows and then scan the computer. Security intelligence, sometimes referred to as definitions, are files that contain information about the latest threats that can infect your device. Windows Security uses security intelligence every time a scan is run. Microsoft automatically downloads the latest intelligence to your device as part of Windows Update, but you can also manually check for it. On the Virus and Threat Protection page, under Virus and Threat Protection Updates, select Check for Updates to scan for the latest security intelligence. When you update any anti-malware package or antivirus package, you can update the engine in the signatures. The signatures get updated sometimes a few times a day, while the engine is updated much less frequently. Sometimes, Windows Defender, as well as any anti-malware package, may quarantine a file by mistake. To recover a quarantined file, you would, on your Windows device, open Windows Security. Select Virus and Threat Protection, and then under Current Threats, select Protection History. If you have a list of items, you can filter on quarantine items. Select an item you want to keep and choose an action such as Restore. Recovery of quarantine file needs to be used with extreme caution to ensure that you don't release a file that actually contains malware. If you trust a file, file type, folder, or a process that Windows Security has detected as malicious, you can stop Windows Security from alerting you or blocking the program by adding the file to the exclusion list. Caution: only do this file that you're confident are safe. Adding an exclusion for an unsafe program could expose your system and data to increased risk. Account protection has access sign-in options and account settings including Windows Hello and Dynamic Lock. Windows Hello is a more personal, more secure way to get instant access to your Windows 10 or 11 devices using a PIN, facial recognition, or fingerprint. You need to set up a PIN as part of setting up fingerprint or facial recognition sign-in, but you can also sign in with just your PIN. Dynamic Lock is when Windows can use devices such as your mobile phone that are paired with your PC to help detect when you're away. When the Bluetooth device is out of range, it will automatically lock your PC. Firewall and network protection is used to manage firewall settings and monitor what's happening with your networks and internet connections. App and browser control is used to update settings for Microsoft Defender Smart Screen to help protect your device against potentially dangerous apps, files, sites, and downloads. Microsoft Defender Smart Screen checks for unrecognized apps and files from the web. Smart Screen for Microsoft Edge helps protect your device from malicious sites and downloads. Device security allows you to review built-in security options to help protect your device from attacks by malicious software. Memory integrity is a feature of core isolation, which helps prevent malicious code from accessing high-security processes in the event of attack. Security Processor gives information about the Trust Platform Module, or TPM. Secure Boot prevents a sophisticated and dangerous type of malware, a rootkit, from loading when you start your device. Rootkits use the same permission as the operating system and start before it, which means that it can completely hide themselves. You may have to disable Secure Boot to run some PC graphics, hardware, or operating systems such as Linux or early versions of Windows. Device Performance and Health allows you to view status info about your device's performance health and keep your device clean and up to date with the latest version of Windows. Family options keep track of your kids' online activity and the devices in your household. Get activity reports of your kids' online activities is used to block inappropriate websites, apps, or games for your children and set screen time limits for your kids by scheduling when and how long they can be on their devices. If you would like to expand Microsoft Defender for non-Windows systems and devices, you can then pay for a subscription for Microsoft Defender. Microsoft Defender for Endpoint is an enterprise security platform designed to help enterprise networks prevent, detect, investigate, and respond to advanced threats. Microsoft Defender for Endpoint will help protect Microsoft Enterprise Cloud products such as Office 365 and threat intelligence to identify attacker tools, techniques, and procedures and generate alerts when they are observed. It also includes attack surface reduction, which includes network and web protection, which regulate access to malicious IP addresses, domains, and URLs, and automated investigation and remediation. Windows 10 has built-in antivirus protection called Windows Defender, but some say that additional software is needed. While Windows Defender is sufficient for typical PC users, third-party antivirus software can provide extra security features and may find threats that Windows Defender misses. However, antivirus software can be expensive, with some costing around $40 a year for each machine. Question: you just installed Windows on a new computer and you have installed a few applications. However, you already got a Windows alert that you're infected with malicious software. What should you do? Answer: run Windows Defender full scan. Question: you just downloaded a file and it's automatically deleted when you try to open it. What should you check? Answer: to see if the file was quarantined by your anti-malware package. Question: what antivirus software is included with Windows? Answer: Windows Defender. For more information, visit these sites. In summary, Windows 10 and 11 include Windows Security, which provides the latest antivirus protection. Your device will be actively protected from the moment you start Windows. Windows Security continually scans for malware or malicious software, viruses, and security threats. Windows Security is built into Windows and includes an antivirus program called Microsoft Defender Antivirus. If you have another antivirus app installed and turned on, Microsoft Defender Antivirus will turn off automatically. If you uninstall the other app, Microsoft Defender Antivirus will turn back on automatically. Security intelligence, sometimes referred to as definitions, are files that contain information about the latest threats that can infect your device. When you update anti-malware package or antivirus package, you can update the engine in the signature. Sometimes, Windows Defender as well as any anti-malware package may quarantine a file by mistake. Thank you for watching this video. The next video will be Security Part 17, Introduction to Windows Defender Firewall. If you have not already, don't forget to subscribe to the Pat Has Your Back channel. Thank you.